2025 Volvo XC90 gets new look, better tech, improved ride and heavy refresh. The gasoline-powered 3-row Volvo SUV lives on. 2025 Volvo XC90. View 31 photos. The electric Volvo X90 is starting to ship this month, but for those not yet interested in making the switch to full electric, the Swedish car company just presented the new 2025 Volvo XC90. We won't say completely new, because the changes to Volvo's biggest SUV amount closer to a heavy refresh than a total rethink, but there's still a lot to dive into here. A new front and rear fascia give the XC90 a fresh look with the diagonal grille pattern standing out first thing. The customary Thor's hammer headlights bleed into the grille now, and the LED pattern is slightly rejiggered. The same can be said for the taillights, and along the sides, you'll notice new wheel designs. Mechanically, it sounds like the XC90 is largely carryover. Volvo is offering its V5, V6 and Recharge models, so the lineup will consist of one PHEV and two gas engine options supplemented by a 48-volt mild hybrid assist system. Specs for these models aren't available yet, but we suspect they'll mirror the 2024 model closely. One way the driving experience will improve is via new standard dampers that constantly adapt to road conditions for an improved ride. The previously available air suspension will still be an option for 2025 too. The XC90's biggest updates come inside the cabin, where Volvo shows off a new dash and bigger central touchscreen. Adopting the software already seen in the X30 and EX90. Instead of going all touch with no buttons like the X90, though, the XC90 retains the row of physical controls below the touchscreen that it had previously. Its center console design with the lovely twist to start knob remains, as does the gorgeous Aurifer's crystal shift knob. New vertically oriented air vents better match the screen shape, and the new dash itself shows off pretty recycled fabrics and trim. There's further ambient lighting throughout the cabin for a glow at night. Plus, Volvo said it adjusted the center console to make room for an additional cup holder and moved the wireless phone charger behind the central tunnel. The truly observant should enjoy further noise insulation material Volvo installed throughout the car to cut down on both road and wind noise. Volvo says the new 2025 XC90 is available to order starting today, and initial deliveries will begin at the end of 2024. But make sure you're asking for the refreshed model when you do, because this update is technically a 2025 1/2 model year vehicle, as Volvo's been selling the pre-refresh XC90 for 2025 already and will continue to do so until it switches over to the new version.